we are at Oxford, and Oxford, as you know, is a very famous, one of the oldest universities in the world. So I thought, why not make a vlog and take you guys along with us. Behind me there is a Christ Church College, which is one of the beautiful and one of the most attractive colleges in the Oxford University. So let's get inside. I think the entrance band hai, so we'll go to another side. I'm not entirely sure, but let's find out. Okay, then I was right, and यही gate entrance है Christ Church College का, and what we have to do here is we need to collect the multimedia guide, and I'm going to show you in a while where the multimedia guide will be available, and then we'll go inside and take. So that is where you need to collect your multimedia tour guide. We are all set to go inside. We have got collected our devices and all of that, and we are good to go. Let's go inside then. This is the most exciting part of the Christ Church College, which is the Great Hall, and I'm very, very excited to go inside it. Great Hall was an inspiration of Hogwarts Great Hall. Can't tell you how excited I am. And मेरे पीछे जो आप table देख रहे हो, this is where Snape and Dumbledore and all of the professors sits. Hey guys, the details of this trip is in the description box below. Please check it out and let me know in the comment section if that helps you. And please like the video if you like it, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so now we have come to an end of this super short. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you super soon in my next video. Till then, bye.